I've never done it, but I'm sure I could learn.
Maybe we can continue the chat sometime.
And what can you do?
You love them.
This is a magnificent house.
You are pretty much the only thing that makes me want to get up in the morning.